Boost Windows 10 performance. Hi guys, today I'm going to guide you that how you can boost your Windows 10 performance. So let's dive in. First, open your PC and then on this taskbar you have to right click and choose this task manager, and it's going to bring you to this menu over here. Now you have to choose startup in this menu, and here you can see you have these status enabled for these apps that start when your PC and runs in background. You have to just right click on these and disable these one by one. Just disable these one by one by right clicking on the enable and choose disable. Once you disable these, your Windows 10 is going to boost up its performance because these apps are not going to run in the background anymore. So that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.